Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and after a long period of time I come up with another video. And today in this video I'm going to talk about Ilana Organics Beetroot Tint. I have purchased it from Vanity Vegan. I got a discount of 40 to 45%. So the original cost of this is around 1220 rupees, but I got it for like 750 to 800. So let's begin the video without wasting the time. If I talk about the brands, Ilana Organics is an Indian brand, and look at the cardboard packaging, guys. It's very innovative. I know it's of no use, but still they have given their best. So they have mentioned almost everything on the cardboard packaging, from how to use to the ingredient list. And if you see it from the inside, so you'll get a glass bottle with a dropper dispenser. Some people may like the idea of the dropper dispenser, some may not, but I'm totally comfortable with it. It's very easy to use if you know the right technique. Talk about the formula. The formula is watery, it's sheer, and it blends well into the skin and gives you a natural flush. You just need the few drops and you can build up the color slowly. And if you are dusky skin type, you need to swipe it like several times to get the desired color pay off. If I talk about the ingredients, so it has minimal number of ingredients, it's fragrance free, and it doesn't have any alcohol or essential oils. It's a water-based formula that is best suited for oily skin types, and it has beetroot powder and glycerin as a star ingredient, with betaine as an humectant that works well to keep your skin nourished and hydrated. It has ethyl olivate that is a occlusive that locks the moisture into the skin. That's a very good thing because it will keep your lips hydrated for a very long time. Next, it has sodium acrylates. It's a synthetic substance that provides film forming and binding. Next, it has honeysuckle flower extract that is a plant preservative, and it's a great substitute of artificial parabens in the cosmetics. I really love the fact that they have used plant preservatives instead of artificial preservatives, and the last ingredient is color. They have added color agents also. Now you must be thinking that beetroot has its own color, so why there is need of adding additional color to the formula? That's because beetroot is highly sensitive to thermal processing, and when exposed to high temperature, it lost its pigment within 3 hours. So it's really become necessary because we cannot serve the natural formula without preservatives. I really love the formulation that they have created a beautiful formula with such minimal ingredients and using the natural preservatives. That's all about the packaging, the formulation and the ingredients. I have explained to you each and every ingredient that is given on the cardboard packaging. Now I will be telling you my experience with the product. My final verdict on this lip and cheek tint is that definitely it's a natural formula. It will benefit your skin in some way. But if I talk about the price, so from price point of view, I don't feel that it's worth the money because it's way too expensive to afford. So not everyone can afford it. Second, the price of this product is 1220 rupees and the quantity is only 10 ml, and if you are dusky skin types, you need to apply it several times. If I'm not wrong, every one of you is thinking about the staying power while watching this video. So yeah, if I talk about its staying power on lips, it only lasts for 1 to 2 hours, but on cheek it lasts quite a long. So I cannot count on it's like a staying power because it totally depends on you. But if you even drink a glass of water, it will vanish. Overall, I love the natural glow that it gives, and nobody can tell if you have applied any makeup. But from price point of view, I don't think so it's worth the money because the quantity is too less and you have to pay much for only 10 ml. But if you're thinking of investing in a good stuff and you want like the staying power should be good, so I don't think so that you should invest in it. And of course it's a very natural and organic product, so it may benefit you. I cannot count on the effects on the pigmentation of the lips, but definitely it will do something good for your lips. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.